Hey y'all, it's Heidi. So if you're like me and you want to save tons of money when you're shopping, with just one click of a button, the Ibotta app and the Walmart grocery app make this super easy and possible. Let me tell you how. So the first thing you want to do is make sure both the Ibotta app and the Walmart app is installed on your phone. Once you have that installed, you're going to open up the Ibotta app. At the home page, it's going to have recommended retailers. It's important. You want to make sure you click on the Walmart grocery app for this one. Once you have that open, they have different categories at the top, as you can see. For you, buy it again, what's hot, new offers, and so forth. So once you start scrolling through and you see something you like, underneath each picture, they have a little plus sign. And then once you see it, you like it, you want to click on that. Once you click on it, it's going to turn into a check mark. And then that'll be added to your list. Okay, so here at the bottom on the green tab, there's a list. You click on that and it pulls up everything that you've added onto your list. So this is another category to help you earn more money. They have featured. Underneath the featured, they'll have weekly bonuses. Mine is not on there yet, but they do have different ones. As you can see, I have a July level 3 that's in progress, and also the Enjoy Life is in progress. So once I hit another one, I'll earn 50 cents for that Enjoy Life. To earn the 50 cents, all I need to do is buy 2 more Enjoy Life products. So now you want to go into your Walmart app. Underneath that, you're going to shop pickup and delivery. Then you're going to type in all the offers that we added to our list. So right here you can see I have the Nabisco 20 pack. So I'm just looking for that offer. It stated that it had to be a pack of 20. So the next one that I'm looking for is the Butterfinger candy bar. And it had to be a 1.9 ounce bar. And then I kept going through and I added all the offers that I had added on my Ibotta. For the Wii, there is an offer where you buy 2. There's a limit of 2. And these are free, guys. Free. You get $1.34 back. And as you can see at my store, most of them are $1.23 per thing. So that's a money maker, y'all. Here's another great deal. $3.88 when you buy 2 and you get 1 free. So I'm just going through, adding the rest of my offers. It's pretty straightforward. You sit there and you type in what you're looking for. If your store has it, it'll pop up. You just click add. So the next thing is you want to select your store and reserve a time. So all you need to do is put in your zip code and it'll pop up all of the Walmart locations that are near you. This is a reserve a time and it'll list the days of the week and the hours that are available for pickup. You just pick the one that's convenient for you. Before I do that, I always double check in my cart to make sure that the items are the same amount as the items in my Ibotta. And I also like to double check the ounces and the quantities of each item to make sure that they're correct. The items that I have circled in red, you definitely want to pay attention to. For instance, the must buy 2 or the limit the numbers. Once you click on your list on the Ibotta app, on the top right hand side it has the word edit. You want to click on that. It'll have the word remove. If you want to take something off your list, all you have to do is that. Click on the item and then it'll remove it from your list. I also wanted to note, see the little pink bar? You want to pay attention to those. Those are just like coupon expiration dates. This area right here is underneath your account. It gives you all your information about your current earnings, how to invite friends, your referral codes. And this right here is my referral code. If you guys want to join my team, this is the code you need to enter when joining Ibotta. Alright guys, I just wanted to a quick rundown of everything you need to do to complete your order. You want to link your account. That is very important. You need to add your offers from Ibotta. You want to select your store to do your pickup. I do want to add that the grocery pickup, you have to have at least $35 or more in order to do the pickup. Then you want to select your day and your time you're going to pick up. Then the day of, Walmart will send you an email and they'll also send you a text. And when they send you the text, that means your order is ready for pickup. Then you want to check in on the app before you leave your house. Once you arrive, you're going to park in the designated parking spot that they have for the pickup. So you're going to select your parking number and then you're going to put in the color of your car. And once your order is complete, that's it. Ibotta does the rest. I want to add, typically I receive my rebates back from Ibotta within 24 hours. It's usually not that long. And that's it, guys. It is super easy. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.